Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle how to organize your personal film and TV show watch list using Airtable. This is your full guide for 2025. The first thing you want to do is to create a new base in your Airtable workspace. This base will serve as your main hub for all the films and TV shows you want to watch. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where you can keep track of everything you're interested in. After you've created your base, the next step is to create tables within that base for each category. For instance, you could have separate tables for movies, TV series, documentaries, and so forth. This helps us because it allows for a more organized and categorized approach, making it easier to navigate through your watch list. Now that we've done that, it's time to create fields within each table. You could include fields like title, genre, release year, watched or not, rating, and notes. This is essential because it gives you more detailed information about each film or TV show and lets you sort or filter your list in various ways. Next up, let's populate these tables. Simply type in the information for each film or TV show in the corresponding fields. If you're unsure about any details, a quick search online should give you the information you need. Finally, take advantage of Airtable's Views feature. You can create different views based on your preferred sorting or filtering options. For example, you could have a view that shows only unwatched titles or another that sorts films by release year. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each view you create is essentially a customized perspective of your watch list, helping you navigate it more efficiently. And there you have it. That's how you organize your personal film and TV show watch list in Airtable. A well-organized watch list not only keeps track of what you've watched and what you want to watch, but it can also enhance your viewing experience by keeping everything neat and accessible. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.